Straightening those legs. Yes, thank you. You're doing so good.
Yeah. So does this mean I get to eat again?
Reward with some food.
That'd be so great.
Okay. We need to clean your back. Dad, will you pick her up?
Mm-hmm. I'm ready to go.
So Matt,
Yeah. Oh, they got 2 hands, huh? Gotta be creative sometimes, huh? Okay. Oh, goodness.
Nice.
Are you gonna suck my thumb now?
that's okay too.
You betcha. Whatever works, baby.
Okay. All done.
All right.
Okay. Woo!
Look at clean baby.
Yay!